Hi guys, so this is my quick update on Vechain, on what I analyzed on Vechain. If you watched my previous analysis on Vechain, I think Vechain was around this area right here, and I said I'm predicting Vechain to at least come up to this level right here. Then we might see a move to this downside, and my overall target as of right now is here. That was what I said I was expecting on Vechain. So there's a possibility we might get to my level right here, which is around my 88.6% fib level, and there's also a possibility that we might just come up here to touch this right here before we finally push to the downside. So that was what I said I was expecting. So let me put my fib level around this area, the short term buy, and we can see it's more around this trend line right here, and also my negative 61.8% fib level. So there's a possibility we might just get to this level, then we continue to push down to this target right here. So that's a possibility as of right now, but like I said, we'll let the market do its thing. So that's what I'm saying. So this is just a quick update on Vechain. Yep. So guys, this is the analysis on Cosmos. What was I expecting on Cosmos when I analyzed? I think when I analyzed on Cosmo, I said I was expecting Cosmo to drop to this level right here. And why? Because when I drew my trend line, you can see that whenever it gets to this level, it bounces off this level. So I was expecting a bit of bounce around this level to get down, but as you can see currently, it has not bounced off that level, but I'm still expecting a sell on Cosmos. So we're just gonna reanalyze since it has changed. So let me adjust my fib on the current price action, just like I used to. No one can predict the market 100%. If it doesn't go your way, you just have to reanalyze. Yeah, so let's just see what next I'm seeing. And here I'm still seeing more of a down move. So let's see. Even if we use a trend line, we can see there was a break-off structure around this level right here. You can see this is a break-off structure and a retest around this level right here. Right here, that it's retested around this level. So that's why I say I'm still seeing more of a downtrend. Let's just put this one here. So let's see how it goes. There is a zone at this level right here too. So let's see. Let me do a trend line here to just see if this might work to this level. So I think there's a possibility that we might just still push up to maybe this level right here, the zone right here, then pushes down. So that's a possibility. Let's do point A to point B. Let me change the color. So this is my new target as of right now. Pause. So let me use there. So currently this is my new target as of right now, and let's see how that works and goes. So let's just see. Yeah, so this is what I'm seeing on Cosmos. So a quick update on it. This is it right now. So now let's go Chainlink. So this is Chainlink right now. If you watched my previous analysis, and I still even drew it here, it did perfectly the way I thought it would do. I said there's a possibility we might get to this level right here and start pushing forward, and we saw that here at this level right here, it came into this direction right here, which is around my 78.6% fib level, and we can see there's a rejection around that area, and it's now pushing up to where I thought it would go to, which is really nice. So let's see how it goes. Let me draw a trend line here. a trend line around this level right here. So as long as we are above this, we are still on an uptrend. So yeah, so that's what I just see. Just a quick recap. I said I was expecting it to come to this level right here, and my reason was because if you see, whenever the price action gets to these levels right here, we can see a rejection around that level. So I said I'm expecting it to at least come to this level right here, reach the confluences, bounces around that level, bounced off that zone, right? You can also see a trend line around that level. You can bounce around that level, and also that aligns really well with my negative 61.8% fib level as well. So that is why I said there's a possibility we might get to that, and we are seeing it move at that direction. Doesn't mean it has to go that direction all through, no, but that is what I'm saying currently. So let's just see if we're gonna get to these levels. So these are my targets right now. Then we'll see what happens there after then. So but as of right now, this is what I'm seeing on Chainlink. Hope this is insightful, guys. So this is my next analysis. My next analysis is Polkadot. What was I expecting on Polkadot? If you watch my previous analysis on Polkadot, I think Polkadot was around this level right here, and I said I was expecting Polkadot to at least push down to this level right here before we push up. But as you can see, Polkadot is moving upward, and since it hasn't done what we want as of right now, let me delete it and just go one step at a time. I still see Polkadot as right here because we broke structure right here, right? I still expect it to like retest and continue to push up in this kind of direction. That is like the major. So this, we might say this is like the major structure right here. So this is like the major structure, while this one inside here, we can call that the minor structure. So as of right now, we are in the minor structure. So I'm seeing something like an impulse, a correction phase of this, then pushes down to retest the level that was broken. Then that will now make a correction to go upward, which is something like this, to now push to the upside. As of right now, that is what I'm seeing. So let's see what next on let's see what next on Polkadot. So because we are currently on a minor trend, on a downtrend, so what am I expecting? I'm expecting the possibility that we might just push up a little bit to the upside. Let me a little bit before we now continue on the direction. So what I'm seeing right now is there's a possibility we might push to this area right here, then it might come down here, then before we start going to go up, let me use a trend line here to see something first. So I'm thinking around, yeah, this level. Okay, this target is fine. So I think we might go up to like that level right here. So this is like my overall scenario. Like I said, I'm thinking it might complete to this direction, impulse, correction phase, continuation to this level right here, which is around my negative 27% level. Then we now complete this full direction, which is an uptrend here, a continuation of this level to retest this line as well, then push up to this level as well, which is also around my negative 27% fib level for the bullish direction. So this negative 27 right here is for the bearish direction. So yeah, that is just what I think of Polkadot as of right now. So I hope this is really insightful and this is knowledgeable for you guys. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to put a comment down below and I will do my very best to reply. And like I also say, don't forget to always do your own research and analysis and just compare with mine. No strategy is 100% correct, so I don't want any comments saying, oh, you're wrong. I can always be wrong. I am a student of the market and that is okay, and I'm always learning all the time as well. So I'm just doing the strategy based on my own strategy. I'm analyzing, based on my own strategy and based on how I see the market. which everyone sees the market differently. So if you have any question, please put it down below and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.